temperature 52 degrees. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 105, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicco, and Worcester, and Cape May, New Jersey, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 105 has been issued from 1:35 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicco, and Worcester, and Cape May, New Jersey, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. At 1 p.m.